Everything you need to know about Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum 2.0 is coming. The years-long upgrade intended to radically transform the world's largest smart contract platform is inching closer to deployment. The Ethereum Foundation recently announced Mandala, a final testnet before the mainnet launch of the ETH 2.0 beacon chain. As of July 10, some developers, including Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, estimate the oft-delayed ETH 2.0 will launch by the end of this year. To mark the 5th anniversary of the network's launch, CoinDesk is producing Ethereum at 5, a cross-platform series featuring special coverage, a limited-run newsletter and live-streamed discussions on Twitter. New issues and sessions launch daily from July 27 to 31. The pop-up experience precedes another event in September focused on ETH 2.0. When Phase 0 of ETH 2.0 does ship, little about Ethereum will change in the near term for users and dApp developers. This is because unlike all other system-wide upgrades in Ethereum history, the ETH 2.0 overhaul will primarily be happening on a different blockchain. The first phase of development for ETH 2.0 is centered around the creation of a separate proof-of-stake blockchain network called the Beacon Chain. On this new network, ETH holders with a minimum of 32 ETH can earn rewards in the form of annualized interest on their wealth. To earn these rewards, ETH holders must have the appropriate hardware and software connecting to the Beacon Chain and a strong understanding of how the technology works. In a new 22-page report from CoinDesk Research, the technology behind ETH 2.0 is explained as well as the phases of development it will undergo in the years after its launch. Ethereum as we know it today will eventually be folded into the ETH 2.0 upgrade in its entirety. The report features commentary from Ethereum developers about what benefits but also risks this may bring. The report also discusses the potential market impact of ETH 2.0, including the ramifications of the new system's economic design on coin supply, velocity and value. Why it matters. The culmination of over 5 years of research and development, Ethereum 2.0 is a highly ambitious upgrade. Never before has the cryptocurrency industry seen a blockchain of the same size and value as Ethereum attempt to transition all users, as well as assets, to an entirely new decentralized network while keeping all operations on the old network active and running. It will likely take many years for the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade in all its complexity to be complete. However, developer commentary featured in this report suggests the biggest hurdle, and perhaps most important milestone, in the Ethereum 2.0 roadmap is its initial launch. Ethereum 2.0, how it works and why it matters. This 22-page report covers the technology behind Ethereum 2.0 as well as the phases of development it will undergo in the years after its launch. It also discusses the potential market impact of Ethereum 2.0, and features commentary from Ethereum developers about what benefits but also risks this may bring. Ethereum turns 5 next week and we're producing a special series 5 years ago. A wildly ambitious project went live. Its creators envisioned a world computer that would transform not just money but a vast range of social interactions, pushing the boundaries of what could be done with cryptography and distributed consensus. Ethereum had arrived. From its technical aspirations to unicorn memes, Ethereum is a culture on its own. It has spawned inventions from digital cats to yield farming previously unimagined and now faces a major overhaul. ETH 2.0 to keep up with the market's demands. CoinDesk is marking the milestone with Ethereum at 5, a cross-platform series featuring special coverage, a limited-run newsletter and live-streamed discussions on Twitter. New issues and sessions launch daily from July 27 to 31. Oh, and watch out for the Easter eggs. Ethereum at 5 newsletter each morning during the event. Our editorial team will publish a newsletter that covers the waterfront from Ethereum's culture and lifestyle to innovations like decentralized apps. DAOs. Decentralized Finance and Enterprise Solutions, and closes out by asking the big questions about the hotly anticipated Ethereum 2.0. Don't know what any of that means? Led by editors Mark Hochstein, Elaine Ramirez, Christy Harkin and Zach Seward, our limited-run newsletter will be packed with educational content that eases the newbie into Ethereum, while offering the thoughtful deep dives loyal CoinDesk readers know and love. CoinDesk reporters and analysts Ian Allison, Lee Kuhn, Brady Dale, Nate DiCamillo, Will Foxley, Christine Kim and Juan Nguyen will guide readers through the 5 years of Ethereum's evolution, including Ethereum's efforts to upend the banking industry, its challenges in scalability and enterprise adoption, its Woodstock moment and its status as a global lifestyle brand. Meanwhile, will provide bite-sized lessons to ease readers into the concepts of smart contracts, enterprise blockchain, yield farming and more, and offer recommended reading from the CoinDesk vault. CoinDesk Live our live-streamed discussions. Welcome DeFi pioneers Hayden Adams and Robert Leshner, the Infinite Machine author Camilla Russo and former Consensus exec Andrew Keys. Sessions kick off daily at 4 p.m. ET and will be live-streamed on social media and the CoinDesk homepage. We're hosting a Discord community to keep attendees engaged throughout the week. On top of that, we set up a hotline at +1-661-4 Unicorn +1-661-486-4276 to share tidbits of the Ethereum history and culture through untold stories. Go ahead, call us. CoinDesk Live Agenda Peace, Love and Unicorns, The Culture of Ethereum Monday, July 27, 4 p.m. ET speakers, Amanda Cassatt, Lee Kuhn, Tanya M. Evans, Andrew Keys. Ethereum prides itself on its inclusive, unicorns and rainbows vibe, which is a far cry from the libertarian, cypherpunk, mountain man culture of Bitcoin. Come for a discussion about how this diverse, freewheeling and extremely social approach to software development made Ethereum what it is today. Stay for fun memories from a panel of veteran Ethereans from their non-stop global tour of conferences, meetups and festivals. $55 million shockwave, how the DAO hack changed Ethereum. Tuesday, July 28, 4 p.m. ET speakers, Griff Green, Emin Gun Surer, Matt Leasing, Taylor Monahan. The theft, the chain split, the legal aftermath. Perhaps no single event shaped Ethereum's trajectory as much as the DAO hack of 2016. Bloomberg's Matt Leasing sits down with the key protagonists to reflect on the events and their after effects 4 years on. Ethereum's Bankless Bankers. Wednesday, July 29, 4 p.m. ET speakers, Hayden Adams, Rune Christensen, Will Foxley, Robert Leshner. Smart contracts were supposed to substitute signatures with software. These ideas have gone from science fiction to a $3 billion market, thanks to the boom in so-called decentralized finance built on Ethereum. An unlikely crew has emerged as the leading figures of this movement. Well, talk to them about how we wound up here. Year Zero, from those who were there. Thursday, July 30, 4 p.m. ET speakers, Anthony D'Iorio, Anthony Donofrio, Adam Levine, Camilla Russo, Ken Seif. Getting the world computer operational was no easy task. Hear about the 24/7 coding, the infighting and the instant millions minted in that process. Camilla Russo, author of the new book The Infinite Machine, digs into Ethereum's highs and lows with the programmers, entrepreneurs and investors who got in on the ground floor. Inside the hype machine, behind the scenes of the ICO boom. Friday, July 31, 4 p.m. ET speakers, David Waxman, Brad Lorry, Harte Sani, Christy Harkin. Smart contract auditors, PR pros, YouTube influencers, meet the service class that was caught up in 2017's ICO gold rush, selling metaphorical shovels to prospectors seeking billions in instant riches. We relive the good, the bad and the ugly of that era through their eyes.